Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Jauhari Group and today we will present our research entitled Classification of Palm Oil Production Volume in 2024 using random forest and Naipes Bayes algorithm. Let's begin our presentation. Background Indonesia, world's top producer, Indonesia accounted for over of global palm oil production, making this commodity a critical driver of the national economy, export, and employment in rural areas. Production variability, palm oil output fluctuates fluctuates significantly across region and season due to differences in soil quality, rainfall, presentation eggs, and management practice, posing challenge for supply chain planning, net for data-driven insight. Study national monitoring method struggle to capture the scale and complexity of national production. Machine learning classification offers us a scalable objective approach to categories production levels. Problem formulation: how can palm oil production volume in 2024 accurately classified into high, medium, or low categories using available agricultural and environmental features, which algorithm random forest or naive Bayes delivers high classification accuracy and better generalization generalization performance on the palm oil production dataset. Wet key features: egg plantation area, rainfall, fertilizer use have the most influence on the production classification outcome.
In the next research objective, classify production level. Will a classification model to category 2024 palm oil production into high, medium, and low class based on plantation and environmental data. Identify features, determine which input variable most significant contributes to production classification using future important analysis. Uh, Compare ML algorithms, evaluation and compare the performance of random forest and Navy Bayes. Classifiers using metric such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Recommend base model provide a recommendation on the most suitable algorithm for production, monitoring, and agricultural decision support. Next, research dataset, uh, dataset overview, and input features. And source year, sample features, target coverage, plantation area, average annual rainfall, dan lain-lain.
And the next slide, rating and classification scheme. The first hike 25 tons higher, plantation achieving optimal production typic- typically driven by fertile soil, sufficient rainfall, advanced management, and mature trees 7 to 20 years. This region serves as benchmark area. The second medium 10 to 24.9 years average performing plantation with moderate yield. Production is constrained by one or more limiting factors such as suboptimal fertilizer use, seasonal drought, or aging trees. And the last 10 years below average plantation, showing limited yield output, often due to poor soil, ina- inadequate inputs, young or very old trees, or minimal management intervention. And the next slide, research methodology. The number one, data collection and proper pre-processing. Collect palm oil data from BPS and Digitbun. Handle missing value. Remove outliers. Normalize numerical feature and encode categorical variable. Number two, labeling and feature engineering. Assign production class label high, medium, low. Based on yield result, select and engineer the most relevant feature for model input. Number three, model training, random forest. Train and assemble of decision trees using bootstrap aggregation, tune hyperparameter, estimate max depth, mean samples spilled. Number four, model training Naive bias. Apply Gaussian naive bias assuming conditional feature independent. Compute class conditional probability distribution for each feature. And the last, evaluation and comparison. Evaluate, evaluate both models using 80 or 20 train test split and fault cross-validation, compare accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score.
And the next slide, algorithm overview, random forest, ensemble method, combines and decision tree trained on random bootstrap samples of the data. Future randomness at each split, only a random subset of future is considered, reducing correlation between trees. Aggregation final prediction is determined by majority vote from all individual trees. Advantage, high accuracy, robust overfitting, handle high dimensional data well, provides future importance scores. And Navi bias, probabilistic classifier. Based on bias, the arm naive assumption assumes all futures are conditionally independent given the class label. Simplifying computation. Gaussian variant assumes features follow a normal distribution within each class, suitable for continuous data. Advantage, fast training and inference. perform well with small data, highly independent probability output. And next slide, conclusion. Both Random Forest and Navibayas successfully classified palm oil production into three categories: high, medium, and low, using 2024 plantation data. Random Forest consistently outperformed Navibayas in overall accuracy, especially for imbalanced classes thanks to its ensemble nature and future randomness. Future importance analysis reveal that plantation area, annual rainfall, and tree age are the top three predictors of production classification. The random forest model is recommended the production monitoring system, while Navibayas remains a viable lightweight option for real-time application. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.